This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः भाद्रपद कृष्ण चतुर्थी संकष्टी इति लोके दिनांक 5 सप्टेंबर शिक्षक दिनम 2020 च सहस्रयोगम अशोकारिष्ट शंखं चक्रं जलौकान् ददतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेतरं कालाम्भोधोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दुष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। तर्हि अशोकारिष्ट अस्माभिः या पठितम् so this is to be used for Rakta Pradara as such. Asrugdara, Jvara, Raktapitta, Arshas, Agnimadya, Aruchi, Megha, and Shosha. So this is the Falashruti of Ashokarishtam. द्राक्षारिष्ट द्राक्षातुलार्धं विद्रोणी जलं जलस्य विपचेत् सुधीः पादशेषे कषाये च पूते शीते विनिक्षिपेत् गुडस्य द्वितलान् तत्र त्वगेला पत्रकेसरम् प्रियङ्गुं मरिचं कृष्णां विणन्दं चेति चूर्णयत् पृथक्फलोन्वितैः भागैः घृतभाण्डे निधापयेत् समन्ततो घट्टयित्वा ततो जातरसं पिबेत् पुरक्षतं क्षयं हन्ति कासश्वासगलामय द्राक्षारिष्टावयः प्रोक्तो बलकृन्मदशोधनः. Okay. So basically draksha patra to be prepared and then guda vagela patra kesara priyangu maricha krishna vidanga and to be kept in krita bhanda and hamantato gata tato jatarasam when it is fully prepared then it is to be done. Purakshata kshaya kasa shwasa galamaya balakurun malashodhana increases strength and malashodhana as well. In Western countries, red wine is very commonly used, and there are wineries, there are so many farms dedicated to only grapes, and this is a very big business over there. So for us, this can be a good opportunity. We may need to know about their preparation and formula, but if you can market this kind of draksharishta with all these ingredients, then this would be a better choice. All these are in earthen pot. After 1 month, take it out and preserve it after filtration. So Urakshata, Kshaya, Kasa, Shwasa, Galaroga, Balya, and Malashodaka. So this is of course very mild Malashodaka. This Draksha. And but Balya and is useful for Shaya, that is more important. And there is one stanza, मांसमेवाच नतो युक्त्या मार्दविकं पिबतो निच अविधारित वेगस्य यक्ष्मान लभतेंद्रम. If one is eating only mausa and yuktya and marvikam pipato nuja. So if this draksharishta is taken after eating that, avidharita vegasya and no vegvidhara, yakshmana lavatentra, then the yakshma may not get a shelter in that body. And so this is more important. And nowadays there are many cases of Rajayakshma according to Ayurveda, which are tuberculosis in conventional medicine. And generally people will be taking AKT, but there can be problems with AKT. That is one thing. SGPT, SGOT levels, etc. They keep on increasing. And if they do not tolerate, then patients are coming to us. That is one reason. And if it is AIDS, and as an upadrava of AIDS, it is Rajayakshma, then this is more typical. The Pankhana refers. It is more typical, and these cases do respond well to Ayurvedic treatment as such. Strange enough, I had one case of fully blown AIDS, and he was from Satara, young chap, 30 years or something. And he had all symptoms of Rajayakshma with Atisara. So Jwara, Kasa, Atisara, and Dhatukshay, all such symptoms were present. I started with the treatment. He responded well. He gained weight. He started going to his work, and everything was fine till 6 months. Thereafter, there again was a relapse, and Jwara, etc., started coming up again. So I started with the treatment. He didn't respond, and ultimately he died. And after 2-3 years, I visited Satara once, and his father just came in front of me. And so I recognized him, and I said, I don't understand why he succumbed to death. He was responding very well. Surprisingly, his father told me that he didn't die of AIDS. So I was surprised. I said, what do you say? He said, when we came to you, we were said that you have only 2 months of lifespan and he's going to end up in 2 months. And we started with your treatment. He responded well, he gained weight, etc., etc. And so we were also happy. But there was some reason to get fever once again, some apathy or something like that. And again, he knew the fact that he's going to survive only for 2 months. And immediately he went into depression. That no, whatever results I got, they were temporary only, and now I'm going to die. And he died of depression. So I was really surprised to note that he was his father was convinced about the use of Ayurveda, and that had really helped him or something like that. So now also in COVID-19, this is the same scenario. Patients die due to fear more than the disease itself. There are so many psychologically depressed whenever there is some diagnosis like suffering from COVID-19 with symptoms, active symptoms as such. So we have to be careful about this. And these cases with fully blown egg having tuberculosis is a rather tough job to handle. Even tuberculosis cases with AFP positive are also tough to handle. There is a constant burden from allopathic doctors that you should start AKT, you should start AKT, etc., etc. And generally, people succumb to that and they start with it. Only when that treatment fails or this there are side effects of that, then only people turn towards Ayurveda. And if at all AKT is to be given, it should not be given in full strength. 6 drugs, 7 drugs, 8 drug therapy, that is what is in use right now. That if at all we want to go, we may go only for 2 drugs, which was a practice maybe 10 years before. So instead of going for full treatment, if we have very little treatment just to control the infection, that's all. And main role is our Ayurvedic treatment that we have to convince the patient. Jirakadyarishta, Jirakasya Tuladvandva. So I talked about this only because of this Draksharishta, which is helpful in these conditions. चतुर्द्रोणी जले पचेत् दरुणशेषे क्षिपेत् तत्र तुलात्रयमितं गुणं धातकीं षोडशफलां शुण्ठीं च द्विफलोन्वितां जातिफलं पुस्तकं च चातुर्जातं यवानिकां तत्कोलं देवो पुष्पं च फलमानेन निक्षिपेत् मासं संस्थापयेत् भाण्डे मृत्तिका परिनिर्मिते ततः कल्कान् विनिर्वृत्य पायेत् कर्षमात्रया अरिष्टो जीरकाद्योऽयं निहन्यात् सुतिकामयात् ग्रहणीमतिसारञ्च तथा वह्नैश्च वैकृतिम्. So this is also famous, easily available. So contents are this Jiraka, Shunthi, Jatifala, Musta, Chaturjata, Yavani, Tatkola, Deva Pushpa, Lavanga. Okay. Deva Kusuma is generally word used. And Nihanti Sutika, Nihanyat Sutikamaya. So in Sutikamaya, this is a good medicine. This is also used for lactation. There is a mention of using Madhya for increasing lactation, and this is useful for Sutikamaya. So we may use it in for improving lactation. आता कोविड पेशंट मध्ये डिप्रेशन भीती कमी करण्यासाठी अभ्रक शिवाय अजून काय वापरता येईल? Tagara is one of the important medicines which is Bhayanashana, and so we may try to use that. Dhira Guduchi Abhiru is also I am using. Guduchi is a better choice because anyway this is useful in COVID-19, and Abhiru also should be of help. So we may try to use all this. So Jirakadyarishta we can use particularly for lactation. Generally we don't go beyond Shatavari, and most of the people have used Shatavari, and even when there is no lactation, then it's better to go for medicines like this. अभयारिष्ट अभयायाः तुलाम् एकां बुद्धिविकार्त तुलां तथा विडङ्गस्य दशफलं मधुक कुसुमस्य च. Okay, Jirakadyarishta and Devadarvarishta in PCOD. So we may try to think about that. And particularly in Kakavandhya, this might be useful. जतिर्द्रोण जले पक्वा चतुर्भागावशेषते शीतीभूते रसे तस्मिन् पूते गुणतलां क्षिपेत् शोधमष्ट्रं त्रिवृतं धान्यं धातकीम् इन्द्रवारुणी चव्यं मधुरिकां शुण्ठीं दन्तीं मोचरसं तथा फलयुग्ममिदं सर्वं पात्रे महति मृण्मये क्षिप्त्वा संवृज्य तत्पात्रं मासमात्रं निधापयेत् ततो जात रसं ज्ञात्वा परिस्राव्य रसं नयेत् बलं कोष्ठञ्च वह्निं च वीक्ष्य मात्रां प्रयोगे अर्षांसि नाशयेत् शीघ्रं तथाष्टौ उदराणि च वर्चमूत्र विबन्धघ्नो वह्निं सन्दीपयेत् परम्. So abhorist is also commonly used. नामस्मरण जपचा ही भय कमी करण्यास उपयुक्त शिवाय हे जप जनपदोध्वंसाचे उपाय ही आहे. अर्हम नाशन अहर्म is अहर्म अधर्म नाशन. So it all depends on the belief of the patient or the faith of the patient. So if he has faith in this, that should also work. So balam koshtancha vandincha viksha matram prayojan. Bala koshta and vandi, they are to be seen and then proper quantity to be used. Arsha, udara, varchamutra vibandhagna and vandim sandipayet param. So this is very good. Very strong antioxidant found in grape seeds only, but nowadays most of the grapes available are without seed. Yeah, that is true. So at least we should be going for grapes with seeds. There is one grapeseed oil also available, and it is used in cancer by some people. Seeded black raisins are available. Yes, that is true. So Abhaya Mrudvika Vidanga Jala Vatha and Shwadaushka Trivrud Dhanya Dhataki Indravarani Shavya Madhurika Shunthi Danti Mocharasa. So it is containing many Vireshana Dravya, that's it. Arshas Udara Malamutra Vibandha Agni Deepaka. So this is Abhayarish is also commonly used and is giving very good results. Particularly those patients who are in coma and oral route is almost closed due to nasal feed, etc. Then Abhayarishta is a choice if there is a severe constipation. And I have given this 2, 3, 4 teaspoonfuls, and that really works better, etc. And secondly, if there is a blockage of this nasal tube, RT, then also it cleans the blockage. So this is also a good effect of Asava and Arishta. So I have used Marmakashaya particularly for this, and also Abhayarishtam if there is a Vibandha, Malamutra Vibandha, then Abhayarishta is a choice there. So we have to think about all these, and that should be fine. Kutajarishta. तुलां कुटज मूलस्य मूर्ध्विकार्ध तुलां तथा मधुकपुष्प काश्मरीय भागान् दशकलोन्वितां चतुर्द्रोणेन रसोत्पत्त्वा द्रोणं चैवावशेषे धातक्याविंशतिबिलं गुडस्य तुलां क्षिपे मासमात्रं ततो भाण्डे कुटजारिष्टसंज्ञकः ज्वरान् प्रशमयेत् सर्वान् कुर्यात् तीक्ष्णं धनञ्जय. Marmakasha is available. So Kutaja Mrudvika Madhuka Pushpa Kashmarya and Jala. So Kuttaja and Prudvika are both used. Buddha Dhataki Agnivarthaka Grahani and Raktatisar. Actually, in Raktatisara Kuttaja Ghanavati is a better option. When Jvaran Prashamayet Sarvan. And Dhananjaya seems to be Agni. Durvaram Grahanim Hanti Raktati Saram Nilvana. So Grahani and Raktatisar. Also, Kuttajarishta is useful particularly in Pravahika, and many people use it, and they get very good results with Pravahika, in Pravahika. But for Raktatisara, Rakta Pravahika, this is still a bit doubt whether to go for this or Kuttaja Ghanavati is a better option than that. खदिरारिष्ट खदिरस्य तुदार्धं तु देवदारु च तत्समं वाकुचि द्वादशपदा दार्वी स्यात् फलविंशतिः त्रिफला विंशतिफला चाष्टद्रोणे भसप् विपच्येत् कषाये द्रोणशेषे च पूते शीते विनिक्षिपेत् तुलाद्वयं माक्षकस्य तुलैका शर्करामता धातक्या विंशतिफलं तत्कोलनागकेशरं जातिफललवङ्गैलात्वक्पत्राणि पृथक् पृथक् फलोन्दितात् च कृष्णा स्यात् दन्तीफलचतुष्टयां घृतभाण्डे विनिक्षिप्य मासादूर्ध्वं पिबेत् तथा महापुष्टानि हृद्रोगं पाण्डुरोगं तथा गुदम् गुल्मग्रन्थिं कृमीं तास तथा पीहो धनञ्जयेत् एष वै खदिरारिष्टः सर्वकुष्ठनिवारणः सो महाकुष्ठानि रुद्रोगं पाण्डुरोगं तथा गुदम् गुल्मग्रन्थि कृमीं तास तथा पीहो धनञ्जयेत्. So this is strange. Arbuda, there are very few yogas in which Arbuda is in the first, which is quite considered as cancer. सतत बाजारात मिळणारे पोट साफ होण्याचे चूर्ण घेऊन कोष्ठात वृक्षता आली असल्यास अवैध द्यावे असे मुळे सांगितले आले आहे. So with that perspective, this can be used. Okay. So anyway, I will try. I have used Khadirarishta in Kushtha and Krumi also. Pansarkar used to give this Khadirarishta in Kushtha, and he said that Vidangarishta doesn't work, but this works for Kuminashana very well. So we may go for this in Kushtha, and now with this Arbuda, we may try to use this even in cancer. That would be fine. Gulma Granthi, Kurmi Kasa, तथा Lihodharanji. So Khadira Devdar Vakuchi, Darvi Tripala, Jala, Apatarpana kind of yoga. Makshika Sharkara Dhataki, is fine. Takkola Nakyeshara Davanga Elatva Patra. So this can be very well used, particularly for Kushtha. Mahakushta, Rudraga, Pandu, Arbuda, Gulma, Granthi, Krimi, Kasa, Lihodhara, and Sarva Kushta. So I may start with Khadirarishta even for cancer patients. That should be fine. मुस्तकारिष्ट मुस्ताकंदाड़क द्वंद्वन भयपाम साधु साधिते चतुर्भागं कषायस्मिन् सीतां तुलां क्षिपेत् जातिफलं जातिपत्रं पत्रकं चित्रकं तथा आम्रास्ति वैरिमूलं च वैरिमूलं लवंगम जीरकम विषाम दानवेन्द्र एवं विश्वम तादशातशिरामपि प्रत्येकं फलमात्रं तु चूर्णीकृत्य प्रदापय कषायस्य समं क्षोदनम् अतिसारं प्रवाहिकां ग्रहणीम् आमगुल्मं च मुस्तारिष्टस्तु नाशनीय. So Kshaudra is in much more quantity. Kashayasya samam Kshaudra. Datar Guruji used Kadira for Astidhatu Balya as well. So these are said to be Saravruksha, Kadira, Chandana, Asana, etc. And they work on Asti. Even this Panchavalkala, Panchakshiri Vruksha. So we may try to use it in that particular way. So Mustafifa Jala prepare patra, Jati Pala, Jati Patra, Patraka, Chitraka, Ambrasti, Vairi Mula, Khadira Mula. Vairi is Khadira. Lavanga, Jiraka, Ativisha, Dharima, Indra, Yava, Vishwa, Kalashaka, Stira. Madhu equal to Kashai. Atisara Pravahika, Grahani, Amagulma. So anyway, this is also this can also be used as such. Dantyarishta. So this was Mustakarishta. I will not use Mustakarishta actually. Jaladrone pachet dantim dashamula varagnikan palikan padasheshetu kshipet gudatulam param purvavat sarvam asya syat anuloma tarastvayam पश्चात सशीलितो रिष्टा करोत्यग्निं निहन्ति च बुधजग्रहणी पाण्डु कुष्ठोदर गरज्वरान् श्वेतु प्लीह रुद्रोदश यक्ष्मश गुल्मयक्ष्मवमिकृमी. So this is more strong for Geti. जलद्रोणे पचेत् दन्ति दशमूल वराग्निका पालिकान् पादशेषेतु क्षिपेत् गुरुतुलां परं पूर्वत् सर्वम् अस्य स्यात् अनुलोमतलस्त्वयं पश्चात् शीर्षशीलितो रिष्टा करोत्यग्निं निहन्ति. So Danti, Dashamula, Vara, Ani, Chitraka, and Jala. अनुलोमक अग्निवर्धक अर्शस ग्रहणी पांडु पुष्ट उदर गर विष ज्वर श्वयथु प्लीहा रुद्रोद गुल्म यक्ष्मा वमिकृमि. Falashruti is quite wide. I think this is available. So we may try to use it. दुरालभारिष्ट पश्चित दुरालभा प्रस्थम द्रोणेपां द्विपदैः सह दन्ती पाठाग्नि विजया वासामलक नागरैः. तस्मिन् सिता शतन्दद्या पादस्थेन्यच्च पूर्ववत् दिव्येत् कुम्भं तु फलिनी कृष्णा चव्याच्च माक्षिकैः. So दुरालभा one prastava jala one drona and danti mula patha agni vijaya hagitaki vasa amalaka nagara. Falini, Krishna, Chavya, and Ajabruta and Makshika to the inner walls of the earthenware and put all these drugs in the earthenware and seal it well. Then bury it in the ground for 1 month. After 1 month, take it out and preserve it in jars. अनुलोमन अनुलोम अग्निवर्धन अर्शस्ग्रहणी पांडु पुष्ट उदर गर्विष ज्वर श्वयथु निहा रुद्रोग गुल्म यक्ष्मा वमि कृमि. So Parashruti is quite wide. Where is the Parashruti? Limpettu Kalini Krishna Chavya Javati. There might be Tadvat for the previous part. They are carrying the same Falashruti. So difficult to say. There is no direct reference about the Falashruti over here. पर्पटाद्यरिष्ट पर्पटस्य तुलाम् एकां चतुर्द्रोणे जले पचेत् क्वाथे पादावशेषे च शीते फलशतद्वयम् दद्यात् गुडस्य धातक्याः फलषोडशिकामता गुडुचि मुस्तकं दारवी दारुव्याघ्रि दुरालभा चव्यं चित्रकमूलं च त्रिकटकृमिनाशन सर्वाण्येतानि संचूर्ण फलांशेन विनिक्षिपेत्. स्थापयित्वा ततो भाण्डे मासादोदं पिबेदमु पाण्डुपुष्ठो दराष्ठीला कामिलांश्च हलीत्मकम् लिहानं यकृतं शोकं सर्वं च विषमज्वरम् एषोरिष्टो निहन्त्याशु वृक्षमिन्द्राशनिर्यथा. So Parpata and Jala, this is the only Kvatra. Guda Dhataki, this is for Sandhana purpose. Guduchi Musta Darvi, Daru, Vyakti, Duralabha, Chaupya, Chitaka, Tikatu, Kurmi, Nashana. 1 pala each. Pandu, Gulma, Udara, Ashtila. Kamala, Halimaka, Pliha, Yatofa, Sarva, Vishamajvara. So Musta Parpata and Jware, this is one of the important thing. And in Parashruti, it is the Vishamajvara. So maybe we try to use this. Vishamajvara. बलारिष्ट बलाश्वगंधयोर ग्राह्यं पृथक फलशतं शुभं चतुर्द्रोणे जले पक्वा द्रोणम् एवावशेषे शीते तस्मिन् रसे पूते क्षिपेत् गुणतलात्रयम् नातकिं षोडशफलान् पयस्यान् द्विफलाशिकान् पञ्चाङ्गुलफलस्कन्धं दासान् महिलान् प्रसारिणे द्वयपुष्पम् उशीरन्त्य स्वदंष्टान् च फलांशिकम्. Basically क्वाथा पलायन अश्वगंधा. मासं भाण्डे स्थितस्त्वेषः बलारिष्टो महाफला अन्त्युग्रान् वातजान् रोगान् बलपुष्टेग्निवर्धनः. So as the name suggests, this is giving very good strength. So we may try to use it in Vata Roga, Balapushti Agnivartan. Bala Ashwagandha and Jala. And then Guda Dhataki Payasya Panchangula, so errand. And Asna Ela Prasarani Devapushpa is this Devakusuma or Lavanga. Ushira Swadamshta is Gokshura. Ugravataroga Bala Pushti Agnivartaka. So this is also available and works fine. I have used it. Particularly when there is Agnimandya and Daurbalya, then this is a choice to use Balarishta and such. Devadar Varishta. Devadarus Tulardhascha Vasaya Palavimshati. Manjishthendra Yave Danti Tagarat Naratani Dvaya. Rasna Krumignam Mustascha Shrishan Kadirarjuni. भागान दशफलान दद्यात् यवान्याश्चासनस्य च चन्दनस्य गुडूच्चाश्च रोहिण्याश्चित्रकस्य च भागान अष्टफलान एतान अष्टद्रोणें वसत्पचे द्रोणशेषे कषाये च पूते शीते प्रदापय घातक्या षोडशफलम् आक्षिकस्य तुलात्रयम् व्योषस्य द्विफलं दद्यात् त्रिजातक चतुष्फलम् चतुष्फलं प्रियं गोश्च द्विफलं नागकेसरं सर्वाण्येतानि संचूर्ण्य ऋतभाण्डे निधापयेत् मासादूर्ध्वं पिबेत् एतत् प्रमेहं हस्ति दुस्तरम् अन्ति दुस्तरम् वातरोगग्रहण्यर्षो मूत्रपुच्छ्राणि नाशे देवदार्वादिको रुष्टो कुष्ठदद्रुविनाशनः विनाशकः. So Falashruti is quite different. Vataroga, Grahani, Arsho, Mutra Purusha, Kushtadadru. Devadar Varishta is being used for PCOD particularly. And it works also. Scanty menses. So Devdaru Vasa. Manjishtha Indrayava Danti Tagara Rajani Dvaya Rasna Krumigna Musta Shirisha. Yavani Asana Chandana Guruchi Rohini Katu Rohini Chitraka Jala. Medicines are quite strange. Vataroga Grahanyarsho Mutra Putrani Nasha Pramehan Hanti Dustaram. Basically good for Vata dosha, so we may have to think about this. Nashika Dhatu Dhataki Vyosha Trijata Priyanku Naga Keshara. Prameha Vataroga Grahani Arshas Mutra Pruksha Kushta Daru. Daruna Dadru hai. So it's not Daru, but it is Dadru. Bhatrarishta. Dhatrifala Sahasre Dve Pidayitva Rasam Visha. Chaudrashtabhagam Pitpalyah Churnardha Gudavanvitam. Sharkarartulon Mishram Patvam Snigdha Hate Sthitam. Prapitte Prapipet Pandu Rogartho Jirno Hitamitashanah Kamala Pandu Rudroga Vatasru Vishamajvaran. Kasahika Ruchishwasan Esho Rishta Pranashe. So Dhatri Fala Sahasridve Pidayitva Rasam. So Dhatri Rasa to be used. Chaudrashtabhagam Pitpalyash Churnartha Kadvanvitam. Sharkarartulon Patvam. So not many drugs actually. Dhatri is the main drug. Pippali, Chaudra and Sharkara. So pipet pandurogartho जीर्णो हितमिताशनः. So after जीर्ण, this is हितमिताशना. कामला पांडु रुद्रोग वातासृत विषमज्वरा कासहिका रुचिश्वासान एषो रुष्ट प्रणाशे. So Falashruti is also wide. बस्तीमध्ये आसवारिष्टाचा वापर किती प्रमाणात करावा? Generally 10 to 20 ml, not more than that. It is quite Ushna Tikshna. But maybe with the Sneha Basti or with this Kashaya Basti or Niroha Basti, this can be used, and this can work in emergency. That is, I told one case long back. Due to electric shock, the hand had become immobile, or there was no sensation and no motor functions as well. And she came immediately to our clinic, and Basti of Tail and Rigundi Tail, I suppose, and some Arishta, Dashamula Arishta was given, and immediately the movements of the hands started. So this can be used as an emergency, and Kolkar sir also used Asavarishta in emergencies. Asava Prakaran, the required quantity of water to which jaggery or sugar as prescribed in the formula is added is boiled and cooled and then poured into the fermentation pot. So in Asava, the water is still boiled. It's not natural water. Fine powders of the drug mentioned in the formula are added and then cover the pot with a lid, and the edges are sealed with clay, etc. Water should be boiled first in the vessel and then add the drugs. The inner surface of a fermentation vessel should be fumigated with Pippali churna and smeared with ghee before liquid are poured into it. The filtered Asava Arishta should be clear without froth at the top and should not become sour. It has the characteristic aromatic alcoholic odor. Asava and Arishta can be kept indefinitely. They should be kept in well stopper bottles and jars. So actually, what is the difference between Asava and Arishta? This remains a question. There is Drakshasava and there is Draksharishta. Both are available. In Draksharishta, there is a decoction. So, and Drakshasava can directly from the juice of Draksha. So in Asava Kalpana, there is no boiling of kadha, etc. is there. But still, the water that is to be put is boiled and cooled. That is another, and it should contain jaggery and sugar as per the part. Asava Swarasa Arishtokvat Vaprave Ase Ahena. There is no direct reference about what is called Asava and what is called as Arishta. So generally, this is believed that Asava is Swarasa and Arishta is Vata. And due to making of Vata, it becomes more Lagu. The Arishta becomes more Lagu, whereas Asava can be bit Guru as such. So Pippalya-asava, Pippali Maritan Chavyam Haridra Chitrakal Dhana, Vidanga Tranko Lotanam Patha Dhatriyel Valakam, Ushiran Chandanam Kushtam Lavangam Tagaran Tatha Mausit Vagela Patrancha Priyangum Nagakesharam. एषानर्थफलान् भागान् सूक्ष्मचूर्णीकृतान् शुभान् जलद्रोणद्वये क्षिप्त्वा तद्यात् गुडतुलान् त्रयम् फलानि दशधातक्याः द्राक्षाषष्टिफला भवेत् एतान् एकत्र संयोज्य मृदो भाण्डे निधापयेत् ज्ञात्वा कतरसं सम्यक् सर्वं पायेत् अग्न्यपेक्षया क्षयं गुल्मोदरे कार्श्यं ग्रहणीं पाण्डुतान् तथा अर्षांसि नाशयेत् शीघ्रं पिप्पल्याद्यासवस्त्वयम्. Surprisingly, there is no kasa shvasa. So it is more commonly used for shvasakasa as such. And Plihamaya Pippali, this is the Agra Sangraha. So in Pliha, this is used. In Shayan Gulmodare Karsham Grahanim Patutan. The Gulmodare is Vivachana. So Gulma and Udara together. पिप्पली मरीच चव्य हरिद्रा चित्रक घन मुस्त विरंग क्रमुक लोध पाठा धात्री एलवालुक चंदन कुष्ठ लवंग तगर मांसी त्वक एलापत्र प्रियंगु नागकेशर. So these again are in Kwatha itself. Generally this Nagkeshar itself, Chaturja is added later. It's the original part. Generally they will be adding it later. क्षय गुल्म उदर कार्श्य ग्रहणी पांडु अर्शस. So Pipalasa is used by Sarvesh sir more in many cases. And I also used it in children particularly with the history of Kasa Shvasa etc. So that is fine. पुनर्नवासव तिकटु त्रिफला दार्विं श्वदंष्ट्रां बृहति द्वयं वासाम एरण्डमूलं च कटुक्यं गजपिप्पली शोफग्नं पिचुमर्दं च गुडुचिं पुशुष्कमूलकं दुरालभां पटोलं च फलांशेन विचूर्णयेत् धातकीं षोडशफलां द्राक्षायाः फलविंशति तुलामानां सितां दत्त्वा माक्षिकार्धतुलां तथा. It is called as Punarnavasa. The first dravya is not Punarnava. Shofagnam Pichumardancha Guduchim. Shushka Mulakam. The part is quite different. Direct Sarva Dravye Panyat Misodu ठेवायचे आहे काढानंतर. Yeah. So no. Punarnavasa is here. जलद्रोणद्वये क्षिप्त्वा मासं भाण्डे निधापयेत् पुनर्नवासवो ह्येषः शोकोदरविनाशनः लिहानम् अम्लपित्तं च यकृद्गुल्मज्वरादिकात्. तिकटु त्रिफला दार्वी स्वदंष्ट्रा गोक्षुर बृहति द्वय वासा एरण्डमूल कटुकी गजटुप्पली शोफग्न पुनर्नवा पिचुमर्द गुरुची शुष्कमूलक दुरालभा पटोल वनपत्र वनफल each. So truly speaking, Punarnava is just one content. Why it is called as Punarnava? Draksha percentage is highest in this part. Dataki, Draksha, Sita, Makshika, Jala. Put all about her Punarnava, etc. शोफ उदर प्लीहा अम्लपित्त यकृत विकार गुल्म ज्वर कृच्छ साध्य रोग. It is strange why it is called as Punarnava. Punarnavasa. कृच्छ साध्या मयान सर्वान नाशयन नाथ संशय. यकृत गुल्म ज्वरादिकाम. कृच्छ साध्या मयान. So those which are कृच्छ साध्य diseases. Punarnavam karoti. Rasayana medicine, and that is why it might be useful in varieties of diseases, but Punarnava is not the main ingredient at all. So maybe we go for Punarnava Dhyarishta. Ushirasava. Ushiram Valakam Padmam Kashmaryam Neelam Utpalam Priyangum Padmakam Lodram Manjishtam Danvayastam Patham Kirata Tiktancha Negorodo Dumbaram Shatim Tarpatam Pundarikancha Patolam Kanchanarakam Jambu Shalmali Niryasam Pratyekam Palasamritam सर्वं संचूर्णितं कृत्वा द्राक्षायाः फलविंशतिः धातकीं षोडशफलां जलद्रोणद्वये क्षिपे शर्करायास्तुलां दत्त्वा क्षौद्रस्यार्धतुलां तथा. So this is also containing many drugs. मासं संस्थापयेत् भाण्डे मांसी मरुच धूपिते. उशिरासव इत्येषा रक्तपित्तविनाशनः पाण्डुकुष्ठप्रमेहाशः कृमिशोथहरस्तथा. So for Rakta Pitta, Pandu Kushta Prameha Arsha Krumi Shotha. Shruti is wide. Ushirasa is generally taken for UTI also. So I also used in UTI, there is no reference. Krumi Shotha Aras Tatha, but not Mutra Kruchra or something like that. उशेर बालक पद्मक पद्म काश्मर्य नीलोत्पल प्रियंगु पद्मक. Padma and Padmaka are different. Lodhra Manjishtha Dhanvayas Patha Kiratatikta Nekrodha Udumbar Shati Parpata Pundarika Patola Kanchanara Jambu Shalmali Niryas. One pada each. Draksha Dataki Jala Sharkara and Shaudra. So Mausi Marika to be used for Dhupana of the jar. It's again something typical. Raktapitta, Pandu, Kushtha, Prameha, Arshas, Kurmi, and Shrotha. Ushira being one of the Shukra Shodhana Ganas, maybe we can use it. There are many other medicines as well. So may try to think about this in renal cell carcinoma. There are patients of RCC and Lohasa. लोहचूर्णं त्रिकटुकं त्रिफलांच यवानिकां मुळङ्गं मुस्तकं चित्रं चतुस्सङ्ख्या फलं पृथक्. So this is again the Navayasa law part. Only Yavanika is different. दातकी कुसुमानान्तु प्रक्षिपेत् फलविंशतिं चूर्णीकृत्य ततः क्षौद्रं चतुष्षष्टि फलं क्षिपेत्. दद्यात् गुडतुलां तत्र जलद्रोणद्वयं तथा कृतभाण्डे विनिक्षिप्य विदधति दद्यान् मासमात्रकम्. Lohasava is not in my use much. Maybe we think of this. लोहासमम् अमुं मर्त्यः पिबेद अग्निकरं परं पाण्डुं श्वेतु गुल्मानि जठरानि अर्शसामृजम्. So this is the same part as Navayasa Loha. कुष्ठं प्लिहामयं कण्डुं श्वासं कासं भगन्धरम् अरोक्षकं च ग्रहणीं हृद्रोगं च विनाशयेत्. The Falashruti is also quite wide. Loha Trikatu Trifala Yavani Vedanga Mustachitraka is this Trimada Bhataki Pushpak Shaudra Guda Jala. So Loha and Navayasa Loha, basically only this Yavani is different. अग्निवर्धक पांडु स्वयथु गुल्म अग्निविकार अर्शस्पुष्ट प्लीहा कंडु श्वास कास भगंदर अरोचक ग्रहणी हृद्रोग. So anyway, I think I would like to use this to certain extent. So we conclude today and continue on Monday with Charaka shadow piece. आयुर्वेद प्रकाण्डो निगदितैः शल्यतन्त्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठुप्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि मूलम् वैद्यवर्गो हि मूलम्. विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः. परश्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः.